this video I'll show you how you can watch The Office on Netflix. So you'll see right now I'm on Netflix, and if I go and search for The Office, right now it doesn't show up, and currently my location is set to the United States. So if you're from the US, it doesn't show up, and if you want to fix that, you will need to get a VPN. So personally I use Proton VPN, which means that you can just click at the top right here and then connect to really any country that they have available. For example, it's available in the Netherlands. I'll just set it to the Netherlands. And now you will see that if I'm gonna refresh Netflix and it's still searched for The Office, then now I will be able to find and watch The Office right here. Now that is also the only version that they have available. So that is how you can watch The Office on Netflix. Now, if you want to also use Proton VPN, you can also use really any other VPN, but in my experience, Proton VPN is one of the cheapest and fastest ones. Then down in the description, you will find a link where you can get up to 64% off Proton with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can see for 1 month, it's €9.99, but for 12 months, it's only $3.99 a month. Now you can see in dollars, it's also $3.99, so it's not that expensive if you get a 12-month plan, which personally I do have. So that's how you can watch The Office on Netflix. Again, I'll leave a link to Proton VPN down in the description, but if you already have a VPN, you can also just connect that to, for example, the Netherlands, and then there you will be able to watch The Office on Netflix. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.